Hi kindergarten friends. This week we're going to be learning about farm animals. I have a really fun rhyme behind me that we're going to share in just a few minutes, but first I thought we would enjoy a story together called The Big Red Barn. So let's watch together, okay?
Big Red Barn by Margaret Wise Brown. Pictures by Felicia Bond. By the big red barn in the great green field, there was a pink pig who was learning to squeal. There was a great big horse and a very little horse. And on every barn is a weather vane, of course, a golden flying horse. There was a big pile of hay and a little pile of hay, and that is where the children play. But in this story, the children are away. Only the animals are here today. The sheep and the donkey, the geese and the goats were making funny noises down in their throats. An old scarecrow was leaning on his hoe, and a field mouse was born in a field of corn. Cock-a-doodle-doo! In the barn there was a rooster and a pigeon too, and a big white hen standing on one leg, and under the hen was a quiet egg. There was a bantam rooster and a little bantam hen with a big clutch of eggs. Count them, there are 10. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Moo, moo. There was a big brown cow and a little brown cow. There was an old black cat, meow, meow, and a tiger tomcat, meow, meow. There was a big red dog, bow, wow, with some little puppy dogs all round and warm. And they all lived together in the big red barn, and they played all day in the grass and in the hay. When the sun went down in the great green field, the big cow lowed, the little pig squealed, the horses stomped in the sweet warm hay, and the little donkey gave one last bray. The hens were sleeping on their nests, even the roosters took a rest. The little black bats flew away out of the barn at the end of the day. And there they were all night long, sound asleep in the big red barn. Only the mice were left to play, rustling and squeaking in the hay, while the moon sailed high in the dark night sky.
Did you guys enjoy that story? I did. Well, I have a rhyme called The Big Red Barn behind me. Let's read it, and we're going to have to figure out a little riddle here. Big red barn. I wonder what's in the big red barn. I wonder what's in it for me. It starts with, I see a CH. What's on a CH make? Ch. So it starts with ch. And it rhymes with pick. Something that starts with ch and rhymes with pick. Oh, what do you think it could be? Are you making a guess right now? Did you say chick? You've got it. Kiss your brain. We're going to be learning about chickens and chicks today. So join me in our next video as we learn how a chick grows.